What's going on YouTube? This is Trader Lewis again, coming out with a different video. Today we're going to talk about the MACD, the MACD, the Moving Average Convergence Divergence Indicator. For those following my YouTube, this is a starting video to how to start trading using a few indicators, and today we're going to talk about the MACD using the Thinkorswim platform. As you guys see, I have nothing on the chart. I'm adding the MACD, which on Thinkorswim you go to studies um, and type in MACD for the indicator and hit apply. And now we have the indicator at the bottom as a guide for us to enter a trade or exit a trade. Um, Always follow the trend on a chart. So the MACD is plotted. This is on a 2 minute. Let's go 1 hour. See how it looks on the 1 hour. The 1 hour looks good. MACD is it crossed over here on the 1 hour, and then as you see we saw the drop here, and of course here it was a false signal here. I mean, it's still coming down. Your signal would have been here, this hour here. So you could have taken a short there and then exit right here on this candle here. So the MACD is basically an average uh, moving indicator along with momentum basically built in together. So on this video, it looks like the MACD is starting to curl, and we're having a divergence there, and it looks like on price action same way. So I think in video could start going back to the upside just from looking at this chart. So that's basically how we use the MACD. This is a 5-day 1 hour. You could go as far as 3 months and see how it looks there on the 3 months. Overall the trend is still bullish on Nvidia. The MACD is still showing, well, the volume here, the histogram is showing slightly divergence there, so it could potentially turn back around. So that's basically how you would use the MACD. It crushed here, and if you would have got in, you would have got a nice profit there. This is crushed here on the 1 hour. Would have been there, you would have got that 1 day profit there. Cross here or here, and then 2 days later it went up higher. So you could use this as a entry indicator. All indicators again are for guides. Always follow the trend, but it's the basic use to use the MACD um, indicator, moving average convergence divergence indicator. If you guys have any questions or concerns, feel free to comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share the video. If you're new to trading, we'll be posting more videos. Hit the bell notification to get the updated videos. Also join our Facebook group, Discord group, links down below. Thank you.